Okay, so this is page 48, number 2, very similar to number 1a. So basically, we're in a situation again where we have an unknown variable in the exponent. So we're going to start by taking the log of both sides. And I'm just going to, choose a log that's base 10, because that's the easiest one. Or you could use natural log too, it would work just fine if you did that. So just like we did in 1a, now that we're in log mode, we can kick out our exponents per the properties of logs. So this is why logs are actually pretty cool. They allow us to simplify lots of things into an easier form. And just like number 1, we have a 2-term exponent, which means that we need to parenthesis it, like so. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to try to get the logs on one side and all the x's on the other. But here's the deal. This term here, this 2 minus x, it's not term, this part of the what's being multiplied by log of 4 has 2 terms in it. I don't want to have to deal with having this in the denominator because it just makes the algebra a little more challenging. So I'm actually going to purposefully and deliberately divide 2x off because this makes it easier to simplify in the long run. Okay, so I am being very deliberate in my choice to end up with 2 minus x divided by 2x times the log of 4. You'll see why here in just a second, but part of being really great at algebra is knowing the easiest steps to take to reduce your workload, so to speak, to make things a little easier so you're not going backwards. Okay, again, I'm going to divide by log of 4. This is the same thing as multiplying both sides by 1 over the log of 4. So it goes away on this side. So now I have the log of 3 divided by the log of 4. And at this point, I would encourage you not to put this in a number because it's not exact. It's going to be some wacky decimal, so just leave it as is. But what I'm going to do here is because now I have 2 terms in the numerator and a single term in the denominator, I can rewrite this as 2 separate terms. So it's going to be 2 divided by 2x minus x divided by 2x. And now you'll see why I chose to divide by 2x rather than something else. Okay, so here we go. We have log of 3 divided by log of 4. 2 divided by 2x is 1 over x. X divided by 2x is half. That's nice. Okay, so I now have the log of 3 divided by the log of 4 right on this side, but I'm also now going to I'm going to add half on both sides. Okay, so now I have plus half equals 1 over x. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and in my calculator, I'm going to do the math now. I'm going to say the log of 3 divided by the log of 4. Oops, I suppose I should close my parentheses. Okay, plus half. Okay, and I get about 1.292 is equal to 1 over x. I'm leaving this number in my calculator because I can't leave my answer with x in the denominator. That's just not so good. So I'm going to multiply both sides by x. And then I end up with this number times x. You guys know the drill. If it were me, I would have just said 1 divided by my answer and been done. But I'm showing you all the work. And I am not rounding because I have the whole number in my calculator. So x actually equals the inverted answer. So 1 divided by your answer, which is 0.774 because we're going to 3 significant figures here. There we go. That is what x equals. Not too bad.